67% of South Africans are vitamin D deficient despite living in one of the sunniest countries on earth. The SAMRC found deficiency rates highest in Gauteng and Western Cape, not rural Limpopo where people get less sun. This deficiency is draining your energy, weakening your bones, and you've been blaming stress or age instead. Pay close attention. Stop, did you know this shocks most South Africans? 8 out of 10 township kitchens use cooking oil that completely blocks your body from absorbing vitamin D. It's
not about melanin. Limpopo villagers have darker skin than Sandton residents, but double the vitamin D levels. Keep watching. The villagers eating Morogo 3 times weekly had normal vitamin D levels, despite darker skin, because Morogo contains magnesium that activates vitamin D. Wait, here is the part doctors rarely mention. The Sandton group eating takeaways and refined maize had 0 magnesium. Without it, your body cannot activate vitamin D at all. Pick up sorghum from Checkers for 18 Rand per kilogram, cook it like pop, and you'll get more magnesium than any supplement. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a registered dietitian or healthcare provider for personalized medical advice.
Make sure
Join
to
over
subscribe.
40,000 South Africans taking control of their health right now, and comment below which tip surprised you most.